In this video I share my XRP price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis, and we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for XRP to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. As you can see, XRP is on place 6 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $32 billion. The coin is existent since 2013 and we reached the all-time high with $3.36 in 2018. And after that we couldn't reach the all-time high till now. After we reached the all-time high in 2018, we then saw this bearish crash to the downside, and after this longer bear market, we then came into the bull market in 2021. We moved into a new high with around $1.96, and then we saw this massive move to the downside again. And after this longer bearish move, we came into this demand zone right here, and from this demand zone we saw this push into the highs in 2021. And after we tested the demand zone right here, we consolidated and saw this bullish move to the upside. I think XRP is a great project with very nice fundamentals. And from the prices right now to the last high, we have a potential of 220%. And to the all-time high, we have a potential of 450%. And this potential is amazing for a coin that is a big like XRP with such a high market cap. So if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside, and if we are breaking this last supply zone to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And then the first really interesting price target is this high right here, because from this high we saw this massive move to the lows, because from this high we saw this massive bearish downtrend to the last lows. And over this important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we are reaching this high is very high. So if we are continuing this bullish trend, the chance that we see here a larger retracement is there, because after reaching a high we continue to go to the upside but then seeing a retracement. And if we continue to find acceptance over this last highs, then the next really interesting area is this last high right here, because after seeing this high we saw this massive move to lower levels, and this was the high in the bull run in 2021 for XRP. And if the bull run is starting in 2024 and if we continue to get more money into the crypto market, then the last really interesting price area is the all-time high, and I think it's realistic that XRP reaches its all-time high. And the best crypto coins are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think XRP has the potential to also move over the last all-time high. And for calculating potential price targets, we take the Fibonacci tool from the swing high in 2021 to the swing low in 2023. And you can see that we are getting these potential price targets. And as you can see, the 1.618 Fibonacci is nearly around the last all-time high. And I think this is a really realistic target for the next bull run. We also have the 3.618 Fibonacci, and the price target right here would be around $6.33. And I think XRP has the potential to reach this kind of price targets. But the question is if we are reaching it in this bull run or in the bull run after that. So if we are taking the more conservative level at 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $4.66. And I think this is more realistic for the next bull run. But of course, this is just an orientation, guys. And if we want to reach this kind of price targets, the total crypto market cap has to increase. In this chart, you can see the whole crypto market cap, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all altcoins. And after this longer bearish trend to the downside, we saw this consolidation right here. And now we are starting the bullish move. So the chance is high that we also can continue this move to the upside. And if we are also breaking this last high to the upside, then of course the all-time high is very interesting. And if enough money comes into the crypto market from retailers and institutions, the chance that we explode to the upside and see even higher market cap for crypto coins is very high. But as I said, we are now seeing this bullish move to the upside, and the chance that we can continue this trend to the upside is very high. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas. I think the prices right now are a great chance for XRP because we are seeing this bullish trend to the upside. Of course, we have to break this last supply zone to the upside to see a weekly bullish order flow. But just from the prices right now to this last high in 2021, we already have a potential of 220%. So this would be a very nice deal for XRP. But if we are seeing lower prices from these prices right now, then I think this demand zone is very interesting because this demand zone was the beginning of this push into the last highs. So if we would come back into this demand zone, and if we are not breaking it to the downside and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then it would be a very nice potential buy zone. So if we would reach prices around 40 cents to 48 cents, then it would be an even bigger deal than the prices right now. And if we see even lower prices, then the potential to the upside is even getting bigger. So if we are coming to the downside again, I would use this kind of prices to go into long positions and hodl it into the next bull run. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like XRP, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. Again guys, it's really important that we are now seeing a bullish reaction to the upside again. And I think if we're breaking this last supply zone to the upside, that then the chance is extremely high that we can move to the upside with strong bullish momentum. And then the chance is high that we can see a move like this for the bull run and see higher prices. But of course, this is just the orientation, guys, from the prices right now. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for XRP. If you want to see my ICP price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.